Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want your designs to look consistent, professional and recognizable, Canva's brand kit lets you store your logos, colors and fonts in one place so you can apply them instantly to any design. In this guide I will show you step by step how to use brand kits in Canva in 2026 correctly, cleanly and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva and log into your accounts. From the home page, go to the left sidebar, okay? Click brand or brand kit, okay? So scroll down and tap it. So brand kits location may vary slightly by interface. So as you can see, you have to have a premium account. So if you want to have access to these or everything, you have to pay. So in the brand kit section, find the logos area, okay? Click upload and select your logo file, okay? And supported formats like PNG, GPG, JPG, SVG, okay? So use a transparent PNG logo for best results. So go to your colors section, click add new color, enter your color code and repeat for all brand colors. Example structure, primary color, secondary color, accent color, okay? So most brands use two to four main colors, okay? So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.